Hello my friends, I have a lot of things that I want to share with you today. But let me start off by saying this is Tea Tuesday and it is hosted by Kathy of Kathy's Favorite Things and also Patty of Life with Patty. And they have been hosting this open collaboration for quite a while now. And it is open, so if you want to join in, you can do that and you can use the hashtag and then just be sure to tag them in your description box and mention them in your video. Well, friends, as you can see, I'm sitting here. Do you see this big microphone? Well, I have an announcement to make. My husband, Carl, and I have decided to start a podcast. And so we've done it. We thought, you know what, let's do it. And then we decided, yep, we're going to do it. And it's called Goldilocks and the Silver Fox. And I have it released on YouTube as a video podcast, as a regular podcast, but also it's on Apple Podcast. We're applying to Google. It's on Spotify and like 10 other ones. So if you want something funny to listen to or to watch, you can check those out. It's a learning curve. I don't even listen to podcasts myself. However, my husband does and my son does. And, you know, they came up with the idea like, let's do this. So I'm learning about it and I'm having fun with it though, because we do have a lot of fun bantering back and forth with one another. So it's sort of a humorous channel and we're just sharing our life, the humor that we find in our life and in our marriage and in our adventures and experiences. So that's pretty much what it is about. It's just about us having fun, doing a lot of laughing, and poking fun at each other actually quite a bit. So if you want to check it out, please do. We're enjoying it, but I definitely wanted to let you guys know about it. And I also wanted to let you guys know about it because, you know, it's changing my schedule a little bit. And so I'm doing the best that I can to watch your videos, and I'm doing the best that I can to comment on them. I always like them. So I just wanted to let you know that if I seem a little sporadic, it's because we got stuff going on that's a little bit different and more added to my what was already very busy schedule. So at any rate, I'll tag it in the description box in case you're interested in it. I got some happy mail that I want to share with you guys, and I also wanted to say that my friend Carol and I just finished up our grungy haunted mansion collaboration and did flip throughs of our journals yesterday because we were posting our videos on Monday. So be sure to check that out if you like Halloween journals. Like I said, the theme is haunted mansion and grungy. We used her digital kit, it's called Shabby Grunge digital kit, and then we used my digital kit, which was called the Haunted Mansion digital kit. So that was a lot of fun to play with. I'm gonna try to get another Halloween journal done before October 1st because I want to get it listed to my shop before then so that it can be enjoyed during the month of October. So I'm working really hard on getting that done. Both of the journals will be listed to my Etsy shop actually. So I wanted to make sure I let you guys know about that. As you guys know, I've been working on doing digital kits and I have like, I think 30 in my shop. And I think I'm going to add another Christmas one. I just have the vintage Christmas, but actually I might add two more. I might add one with background pages and then a little bit of ephemera. And then I felt inspired to do like a natural one with a lot of tans and whites just because that's a little bit different for me. And I thought that would be kind of nice. So I'm going to try to get that done pretty shortly too. In October, I am co-hosting a collaboration with my friends Raina and Kara. Raina's channel is Lilo Crafts. Kara's channel is Paper Confessions with Kara Mia. Look out for that. We're going to be putting out a video on each Monday for the month of November, and it is our gratitude journal. So that's what we're going to be sharing. It'll be #GratitudeJournal. It's an open collaboration, so if you want to join in, you are welcome to do that. And there's going to be prompts, and actually, I'll go ahead and list the prompts in today's video, but I'll also put them on my community tab in case you would like to participate. Like the first Monday is going to be collage. So you're doing your gratitude journaling with a collage. And one of them we're using fabric, and the other one I think is creating a belly band. And therefore, you might create a tag to go in the belly band, but no pressure on that. And then the last one is going to be Crafter's Choice. So if you would like to join us for some gratitude journaling, you can do that. We're posting once a week, but you could do a thing for just one day, or if you wanted to share what you did during the whole week, however you want to do it, it's completely up to you. Hang tight, I'm going to share the happy mail that I received with you and my winnings from Kathy's favorite things. Hello my friends, I wanted to share some wonderful mail that I've received. This card comes from Cara Mia. Summer 2023. Hi Jovi, thanks so much for joining my summer challenge giveaway. Hugs, paper confessions with Cara Mia. Thank you for the thank you note. That's so sweet of you. And look you guys, she put some goodies in there. Look how pretty this is. Beautiful pastels. Ah, some coordinating stickers. Aren't they so cute? Ooh, and look at the mini wax seals. They're so cute. You know what? These would be adorable on some mini envelopes. Maybe I can use some scraps and make some mini envelopes. That would be a lot of fun. Actually, I'm going to leave these out so that I remember to make myself a note to do that. That'd be a lot of fun. Thank you, Cara. I really appreciate it. This one comes from Crafts and Tea with JanetKay, and it says, thank you for being my crafty friend. Love, JanetKay 2023. And what a beautiful card. And these flowers are vellum. Aren't they so cute? I love those. I think vellum's so cool. And then this one comes from Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations. It says, hi Jovi, thank you for your entry into my 2-year YouTube anniversary. I loved everything you sent. The fabrics are gorgeous and the stickers are so lovely. So sorry that it was so late. Thank you for supporting my channel. Crafty love, Penny of Penny's Crafty Creations. And yeah, I sent mine out. Now I didn't get it out early in her giveaway, but I did definitely send it out before the due date, but it got lost in the mail apparently. That's the way it goes sometimes. So she sent me some wonderful ephemera. I love this. I think these might be Tim Holtz, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, that's cool. I like that shade green. Very nice. Oh, and it's double-sided. Oh, cool. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and there's 2 of them. All right, so we have this or this, and I really do love this. But I also do love houndstooth. Houndstooth is a cool pattern. I once had a 67 Mustang with houndstooth interior. These are really nice. I wonder if these are rub-ons. I think they might be. I do like rub-ons, so those will be fun to play with. And then this might have been a piece of paper like for the back of the rub-on, but it feels kind of like firm tissue paper. I could use that after I use these. And then this comes from our friend Kathy of Kathy's Favorite Things. And before we even get into that, let's open this up and have a look. Oh my goodness. This is so great. I don't know if you guys heard about this, but during the hurricane, the most recent one that we had down here, some flamingos flew away from Cuba and they landed in Miami, and then a few made it to Clearwater where I live. So I haven't spotted them myself, but they were spotted on our beaches, so that's kind of cool. So thank you, Kathy, for this. I love it. I will have to use that in a project. Oh, okay, I thought that was a slide for some reason. I don't know why I thought that. Jovi, congrats on your first place win. Thank you for joining in for the Love of Packaging Challenge. XO Kathy. And I always like that challenge because it's really cool to see what people send into her. I love it. It's fantastic. So I won a $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited. And apparently they're having some clearance. Now my Hobby Lobby, I live in a very populated area. It's the clearance, actually I'm gonna leave that out so I can use it. The clearance is it goes really, really quick. But I still have to go and give it a check. But, you know, with a gift card, I don't necessarily have to buy everything on clearance because it's like, you know, a little treat yourself. So thank you so much, Kathy. Thanks for watching. See you soon.